Well, I already have to go home. What? Really? Hello, friend. I have not seen you for years. How are you?
Oh, hello, Melissa. I am very well. Where have you been these years?
I am very glad you're fine. I was working in Lima. I tell you something. On Jan 1st, I am going on a trip around the world.
Are you serious? That is a surprise. Congratulations. What countries will you visit?
Well, I'll visit many countries um, in the world. It are exciting and beautiful places. Don't you don't you want to come with me? Come on.
Oh, yeah, but I am working. I think that need to organize my time to travel.
Are you sure? Well, I want to travel with you.
What is the cost of the trip? This will be interesting.
It's chill because it's a trip credit.
Are you serious? You must be joking.
It's like
No problem. I will go through the next week in my holidays.
really? Where are you going to travel?
I will travel to Tumbes, Piura, Cajamarca, and Amazonas.
Well, how many days?
It is for 15 days. The tour is complete. The hotel, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And I will be in Manglares for 2 days. In Mangora stay 3 days.
Oh, okay. I also travel to those places. They are very beautiful places.
Yes, they are beautiful places.
Well, I wish you good luck. I hope you have a great time with your family. I have to go home. Take care, take care, friend. See you soon. Bye.
Oh, see you soon, Melissa. You visit me. Bye.